I use a shiftinglens.com template to create 4 door frames. You can draw the doors of the shape and size you want. However, these doors are 1 inch wide and about 2 inches high. Freehand, I draw bricks around the silhouettes to have a guide even after the pieces have been cut. At this point, I cut out my graphic chipboard. I use a rather thin sheet of foam and design my 4 shapes again. This sheet is about 3 mm thick. If you don't have a Proxen, check out my tutorial number 4 to create thin foam sheets with a simple foam cutter. With a wire brush, I now create the vertical wood grain of my doors, and only when the texture has completely satisfied me, I draw the lines of separation between the wooden boards. At this point, with my X-Acto knife with a fresh blade, I cut the whole thing. Remember, a fresh blade is very less dangerous than a shitty one. I need a strip of chipboard to create the reinforcement of the doors. Here you see how I use an awl to create the holes of the rivets. I cut out my reinforcement at the length of 3/4 inch. Once we have recovered 4 small bracelet rings, we are ready to assemble the doors. First, I glue the door to the cardboard, then again with the hot glue I attach the reinforcement. I recommend you keep the doors close together to glue the reinforcement all at the same height, or almost. Then I dip my ring in the super glue and I place it at the desired height. Done! Now, the stone frame. At first, from a piece of foam, I quickly obtain 3/4 bricks. Then I pass them randomly to the cardboard frames, trying to vary the size and shapes of my bricks as much as possible. In the end, it will be enough to turn our piece upside down and cut away the excess. Done! This year I decided to take care of all my supporters and to give away a lot of goodies. If you are one of my supporters, you will receive a reward because you are so kind with this channel. Finally, I decided to take care of my patrons. If you are consistent at least 6 months on supporting this channel, you will receive a reward. It doesn't matter your level of tier, you will receive something. Can be miniatures, piece of terrain, or other goodies that I will decide time by time. You will receive it at least once per year, maybe twice per year. So this is the perfect moment to subscribe on Patreon. Check it out, okay? for the base, even if it is not 100% necessary, I use pieces of cardboard 1 inch by side thick, gluing them so that they protruded behind my doors. Done! Painting these pieces is very simple. First, I covered it all with black acrylic paint. Then I colored the doors with a dark brown, perpendicularly to the wood grain, so as not to feel the texture. I then passed a semi-wet brush with a orangey brown. I used a couple of shades of grey for the bricks of the frame. I passed the metal parts with a mithril silver with a dry brush. And finally I gave a dry brush with an off-white. Done! With these doors you can create entrances and new dynamism to existing pieces and give new life to walls and buildings. Fantastic!